Hi there. Welcome to eTech eCommerce and our community of entrepreneurs. At eTech eCommerce, we're passionate about helping aspiring entrepreneurs like you succeed in the world of online business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, we've got you covered with our comprehensive resources, expert guidance, and ongoing support. And speaking of support, I'm excited to introduce you to our newest offer, the eTech eCommerce Success Package. With the eTech eCommerce Success Package, not only do you get access to our flagship course, FBA Ascend, but you'll also receive a range of free gifts and bonuses designed to supercharge your success. From exclusive ebooks and resource guides to one-on-one coaching sessions and access to our private community, we've packed this offer with everything you need to hit the ground running and achieve your goals. But don't just take my word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say about the value they've received from the eTech eCommerce Success Package. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, join us at eTech eCommerce and let's make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Check out below to see more and claim your free gifts and bonuses. Here's to your success.